Hi everyone, this is a short demonstration of the Caregiving101 book. It's meant to be used during support group sessions or conversations between caregivers, where shared experiences can help them open up to share and discuss their challenges. The kit is built from the concept of Solomon's paradox, where one can think more sensibly about others' problems than their own. It requires the caregiver to imagine themselves as the friend of Ellie, a fellow caregiver who is seeking advice from participants. The fictional character is someone the participant listens to, allowing caregivers to take distance and reflect upon their own caregiving experiences through providing suggestions to the character. This is done through various activities within the book where caregivers pick cards with relatable experiences and anticipate challenges they think Ellie might face, all of which are derived based on their own personal caregiving journey. These reflect themes that they may relate with, phrased as experiences that participants predict Ellie might face. The cards can then be slotted into the slots on the left side of the book. In between the story, there will also be bright yellow pages which act as separators and breathing spaces amidst the story. These will include priming questions that afford for conversations, tasking participants to reflect upon the primer cards picked and why they picked it. Organizations and individual facilitators can then introduce various support channels based on their experiences and type of support provided. This allows for adaptability across different organizations and individual facilitators based on their specialties and experiences. The previous activities then wrap up by connecting the cards picked, where the tips selected and support channels identified during the discussion can be used as primers, and participants will be encouraged to build an actionable plan for Ellie's challenges, writing it down on the yellow bookmark provided on the right side of the book. Eventually, it will be revealed that Ellie is a reflection of their own caregiving journey. Participants can then be encouraged to share the bookmarks they just filled up, each a distillation of their experiences and can be used to facilitate conversations and new connections, much like name cards.